Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW 330i M Sport. Now we do have 4 superb 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels. We also have LED headlights as well as black kiddie grills, full gloss M Sport styling kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear diffuser and rear boot spoiler. There's a look at another alloy wheel. Now I do have black window trim as well as privacy glass on the rear, shark fin antenna. There's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush with a rear bumper and rear diffuser, which really just make this car stand out. Now this car is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look absolutely superb from every angle. Now let's look at another alloy wheel. Heading inside the car, we do have full leather seats throughout with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. Now we also have vents in the centre as well as climate control. Now we do have integrated speakers with ambient lighting and brushed metal trim and also electric windows in the back. Getting to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full leather seat which is very comfortable, which is also heated and has extended fly support if you may need it. Now we do have electric power folding mirrors with electric windows, brushed metal trim again with the ambient lighting, again the integrated speakers. Jumping inside the car, just down there we do have auto lights. Now foot on the brake, we do have keyless start. And as you can see, this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dash and has done just over 1,380 miles all in all. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter as well as paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Now we also have auto wipers and we can also change the look of the screen, which is the display in front of us where we have satellite navigation, which is all full digital, and you can also change the view you have on the right hand side, whether it's what you listen to on the radio, what gear you're in, your MPG, and then your trip total, and then the newton meters and kilowatts of torque that you're currently using, lateral G's of going around a corner, and then back to that. Now in the centre we do have a touchscreen satellite navigation screen. As you can see, it's touchscreen where we do have DAB radio. Go across, we have Spotify, music collection, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, mobile devices and also personalised menu. Now if we go into apps, just there we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you can see. Now if I pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera just there, as well as the front and rear parking sensors. Now coming back off that, we do have phone connectivity as well as nav. Now I do have different drive modes where I have Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. Coming down here we do have dual zone climate control, which works as you would expect it to, as well as the 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings rear does make all the difference. Now click this, we do have the intelligent safety where you can have all on, individual, or we can have all off. Coming down here we do have the BMW individual trim just there. Pop that open, we do have a bit of storage just there with 12 volt connectivity and also USB connectivity and also 2 nice size cup holders. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen, which is just here where we have touchpad as well. Now stop start for your engine, track control on and off as well as your parking sensors, and you can also turn stop start on and off as well. Then you have your driver mode select, electric parking brake with auto hold, and then we have the performance sticker just there. Soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather seat, again with the extended fly support if you may need it. Now we do have the ambient lighting, as you can see, just there. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Here we have the video test drive of this BMW 330i M Sport 69 plate. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not going to fight or wrestle with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. Now I do have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So I'm going to take over now. So I'm now in 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, back up to 4th, into 5th, and then I'm going to let the car take over by just letting go of the paddle shift. Now we do also have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate, simply just press the middle button at the bottom, and then it'll go to the nearest miles per hour. To go up by 1, press up on the dial, which is just above it, very slightly, and then if you want to go to the nearest 5 miles an hour, push up until you feel a bit of a click, and then it'll adjust to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now we do have a full digital dash in front of me, where we have the satellite navigation in the centre, and on the left hand side we have the speedo. On the right hand side we do have the rev counter. By the rev counter you can change the screen, so currently I do have what's going on for the media, so it's currently DAB, but you can also change it to lateral Gs, your MPG consumption, and many different other settings. Now I do have a full touchscreen satellite navigation screen in the centre, where we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as satellite navigation, DAB radio, as well as Spotify. We have Bluetooth media connectivity, and we also have Bluetooth phone connectivity. But right now, I'm going to take a left at the roundabout, as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. Currently, there's a lot of traffic, so this video test drive is going to be a bit longer than usual, but that gives me more time to talk about the different features we have inside of this car. Now we do have very comfortable full leather seats with extended thigh support and also heated, so you can easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. And for those cold winter mornings, the heated seats really do make all the difference. And for hot days like today, we also have ice cold aircon, which again really helps in this type of weather. Now I do have the BMW individual trim in this vehicle in different bits. We have it in the centre console, we also have it on the dashboard just there, and we also have the ambient lighting on the door cards just there, which really does make this car really quite homely inside. Like I said before, you can go into manual mode by using the paddle shift. You can also push the gear stick to the left and then it goes into manual, or S. So S meaning sport and M meaning obviously manual. So to go down, I'm going to push away from me, so I'm in 2nd, pull towards me, I'm in 3rd, into 4th, and to let the car take back over, simply push back to the right. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership. We have over 305 star reviews on Google and Autotrader. If you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial estate, where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse, just to show that the brakes work as they should, and so do the front and rear parking sensors and the rear reversing camera. So wait for traffic to pass and then I'll be able to pull in. So pulling in just now, and I'm going to do an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse. As you can see, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the camera in the centre just there. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you're driving this car today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always something good about buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also book you in for a test drive and a review of your selected car. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.